Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Satenda. I am an immigrant in Canada. I am a mom, a wife, and just somebody trying to figure out their life as a new immigrant. And basically, yeah, that's what I do here. So anyway, hi. So it's been long since I did this. I took a little mini break over the summer, just to, I was taking footage, but I wasn't being intentional about it. I was just taking footage of whatever, and then I made it into a vlog because, I'm not trying to try too much. I am a little bit sometimes, but yeah. So I'm in this weird phase in my life where everything seems okay and not okay at the same time. I want to try and not try too hard at the same time. I took a break, but not really took a break at the same time. It's kind of crazy. But anyway, if you're new here, well, I moved to Canada last year with a 3-month-old baby, and I was working full-time for an American NGO. However, it was good because, American money is good. But I really did work myself to the bone, to the extent that I worked one day after I'd given birth just to tell them that, I am going to be off. And then also, when I moved here, I was still working. I literally landed on a Friday. On Monday, I was busy with kind regards. So, well, anyway, my contract came to an end during the summer. We're still a little bit in summer, but yeah. And I was devastated because loss of income is never a good thing. But at the same time, I realized this is my time to rest. Not rest as in stop applying for jobs and whatever, but rest as in this is the first time in years that I'm unemployed. I worked throughout my pregnancy. I worked throughout, I went back to work 1 month postpartum. That's how much of a workaholic and how much of a career, no, that's how much I need money. That's how much I want money. The money was good. Americans do pay very well. So anyway, I'm unemployed now and I'm just trying to figure out life. This is way after 1 year after I moved here. I didn't have these problems settling and looking for a job right away, but now I have these problems and I'm feeling a little lost. So I've been applying jobs, getting interviews, but no offers yet. I'm getting bent out a little bit, so I've told myself, you know what, take it a day at a time. Of course, bills wait for nobody, but take it a day at a time. And so I started volunteering my time to causes that I believe in, because, well, when you're volunteering, your brain is not going redundant. You're helping people and it has got great tax benefits and it counts as Canadian work experience. So that's what I'm doing right now. I am actually getting ready to go to my volunteer job where I volunteer 10 hours a week. So yeah, that's been what's up. That's a major update in my life anyway. So yeah, welcome to the start of a new vlog. I don't even know where this one is going. Am I coming back or whatever? But for today, come along with me to my volunteer job. I won't obviously vlog inside the place where I'm volunteering, but just the journey to go there will suffice. Let's go. I'm ready. Let's go, guys. gotten off the train now, and I am walking towards the place where I volunteer. So in the morning, my husband drops me at the train station, then drops my sister at the bus station for her to go to work, and then drops our little girl at daycare. So yeah, that's our life now. I don't really like go every day, but yeah, I go 2 times a week to this particular place. So yeah, this is just me getting my steps in to go to the place. Let's go. No, I'm not going with you guys anyway, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm on lunchtime or whatever, and then we'll see from there. I am 20 minutes early, so I'm just outside Mshana. You can take the Zimbabwean out of, you can take Zimbabwe out of the Zimbabwean, but you cannot take the Zimbabwean out of the, like, just out here in Mshana, what they call here sunbathing. But yeah, so I'm on lunchtime now, and today I was busier physically than yesterday, so that was good. So I took my break, guys. I didn't know that lunch breaks this side are 30 minutes, not 1 hour, so you don't even feel like you've done much, or it's not even enough time to rest and recuperate. But anyway, I am just going to use my lunch time to walk into Dollarama and just browse through the aisles and basically, like, just while up time. So come with me. Oh, it's time for fall decorations. These are nice. Are these last year's decorations, or am I missing something? So while I was at my volunteer job, I had an interview, like soon after I was about to be done. So I left early and found a restaurant to take my thingy from and have lunch. Literally my first meal of the day anyway, because I never ate in the morning, so let me do that. One thing about me is I love me a vanilla milkshake. I know a milkshake hates to see me coming. I'm sure if I was a kid, this is how I was gonna get kidnapped. I love milkshake. Alrighty, so I'm done with my volunteering, my interview, my lunch, my late lunch. I'm on my way to pick up my daughter from school now, so I'm just walking. I got onto the bus, forgot to film, but yeah, it's just a bus anyway. I met this interesting lady. She looked like she was not drunk but high. But we had like a really profound conversation where she was talking about how, you know, life has really beaten her up and she's trying to pick up the pieces, but sometimes it's a lot. Anyway, this puts like things into perspective. Like when you think you're going through the worst, some people have the worst going through them or whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna pick my child now, and then after I pick my child, I'm going to walk to the bus station because I'm not wasting my bus ticket at all. So yeah, let's do that. We're going that side. Let's go. No, bye. Yeah. You don't want to be outside? I thought you wanted to be outside. It's around 7 p.m. and I'm about to take a walk with my offspring. So yeah. It's 7 p.m. in summer and I am doing a walk with my little one. She is guiding me, so wherever she's going, I'm going, as long as I get those steps in for the next 45 minutes. So yeah, she's enjoying, I'm enjoying, and that's what's up. Let's go. Where are we going? Like there's absolute no direction. So let's go. I'm also doing this so that she can finally sleep a very peaceful sleep. Yes, sleep. After this our exercise, the sleep is gonna sleep differently. Yeah? Yes. Yeah, let's go. Up. Good girl. Let's go. Up. We're going up, not down. So we climbed one set of stairs and we walked through the corridor and then we walked to the next. Mommy, mama. Sorry, but no, we can't do that. No. That's the emergency thingy. And we are not in any kind of emergency. Yes? No? No, no.